So, how does one actually start a pressure washing business?
Great question. Obviously, I would say YouTube, but it's so simple, and I wish somebody told me this in the beginning. But essentially, for you to start a business in pressure washing, you just have to get someone who wants to buy pressure washing. So all you have to do is fairly simple. Is if you can start putting out content, whether if it's Facebook, social media, knocking on doors, asking a friend, letting them know that you can do pressure washing, you could clean their house or you can take care of their driveway. But you go out and go look for, dirty driveways. You go look for dirty houses. You go look for, certain things that might a homeowner might be interested in, and then you just tell them that you could provide this service, right? So when they're ready to pay, or then when they're ready to say, you know what, I trust you, Joshua, I want you to do this pressure washing service. Then what you do is you don't buy the equipment, you go rent it from Home Depot. You
Oh,
go get all the equipment, you bring it back, you complete the service, you get them to pay you, you pay off the equipment rental, and now you just made a profit. Most people on YouTube are telling you to go get the equipment and go get official and go get the LLC, when it's fairly simple to just go acquire the work first, and then you'll figure out how to service the work later, get paid for it, and then you just continue that same cycle a couple times. It only takes you 5 times to do it, and now you take the profits and you use that to go buy the equipment, and you don't go buy the whole fancy smashy. You don't need a finance. I went on Facebook Marketplace. I found a used pressure washer, under $2,000. Purchased that one, and I put it on the truck. So it's very simple to get into the business. It's just that you have to understand, why does a homeowner want that service? And a lot of times there's certain things that they may not see, that you just have to advertise and inform them that you can execute that service.
and how much did it cost to when you initially needed to rent it? How much did that cost to rent the equipment from Home Depot?
So to rent a pressure washer at Home Depot, it's $70 for 4 hours and about $120 for the entire day.
Hmm.
So after that, you just need a garden hose to connect to the homeowner's water. You don't need to bring your own water. And then you just need certain solutions to be able to clean the homeowner's property. Now it's your job to do the research to determine what those chemicals or solutions that you'll need to do to service the home, but they're fairly cheap and you can find them all at Home Depot. So all in to start the business, you could get started and start servicing under $200.
Wow. Now, see, I think most people would assume that you had to add another zero to that number in order to get started. Is that the general assumption? Would you think that?
I agree. That is what is being pushed out there on social media. But you got to think like a hustler. This is side hustle society, so we have to think outside of conventional thinking.
So all you need is that pressure washer. You already outlined some simple steps to go ahead and get started. I don't want to say for free because technically it's not, but the thing is, you get the client first, and the client gives you the money, and then you can go get the equipment, and use the money to pay for the equipment, and then you go do the service. You take the equipment back, and you're pocketing the difference.
That is correct.
Hmm. So all you need is that pressure washer and a hose to connect to the homeowner's faucet or their water, right?
Yep.
And you well, and the chemicals, but that's going to vary depending on the situation. But those are the three things you need, and you're good to go.
Yep.
Damn, I think I'm kind of speechless. I myself had some assumptions. I assumed it might be like $2,000, but then again, I purposely go into these interviews kind of blind. Like, I'll look into it just a little, but I want to be in the headspace of people who are looking. Someone's watching this on YouTube that's interested in pressure washing and from Virginia or somewhere, and they're going to have the same questions I have. If I looked into it too heavy, I'm not going to be in that mind space to ask the right questions.
Hmm.
So I just learned something. he can get started for $200, not $2,000. I'll take that.
Yep.